Alrighty, now we have the new production of this helicopter legs of mine. We have made some, well, I've made some improvements alongside with my cousin, and the code has changed. The main changes in the code is that it now automatically supports either having a TX or not having a TX. You will see first when you power on the unit that the lights will go red, which means the legs are closed. Have the function for the open legs, and then it cycles back to automatic and closed. Green light is automatic mode, red light is closed, and orange is open. So that is without any transmitter. The transmitter cable is there. It detects that there's no signal, so it activates the button where you can then set your modes. As in the previous version, when you lift the legs up, they automatically open, and when you bring them down, they automatically close, regardless of the orientation or the position. So there you go. Then if it's still in that mode and you get your your radio transmitter, take your radio transmitter, very interesting with the one hand here, and plug it into your radio gear. Your transmitter is now selecting the mode that you're in. Yeah, I have selected automatic to be in the top. Now the button is inactive. You can press as much as you want, nothing happens, and the controls have been set over to the remote here. As you can see, when I change there's from automatic to closed, from closed to open, and they open, back to automatic, and closed. This will have the same effect, just using your TX. So if you don't have an extra channel on your transmitter, that's alright, you don't need that. It will automatically take care of opening and closing. Then also when you want to store your helicopter for transport, you can just open the legs and then power off the device, which will make it then easy for transporting if you don't have a camera gimbal hanging underneath there. Thank you very much.